crochet tutorial for a cute kitten silhouette that even beginners can learn. Susan's Family 4-ply cotton yarn, 2.5 mm crochet hook. First, cast on the edge. Place the crochet hook below the yarn. Pinch the crossing point. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Cast on complete. Cast on doesn't count as stitches. Crochet 15 chain stitches. End with 15 chain stitches. Go back to the second to last stitch to insert the hook. Bring the yarn over. Pull through the loop on the hook. This makes one slip stitch. Continue making slip stitches, one stitch to another. Total of 7 slip stitches. End with 7 slip stitches. Chain 3. Make a treble crochet in the next stitch. Yarn over the hook twice and insert into the stitch. Yarn over twice, and pull through 2 loops. Pull through 3 times. This makes 1 treble crochet. Continue making 2 more treble crochets. Then make 2 double crochets in sequence. Yarn over the hook once and insert into the stitch. Yarn over twice, and pull through 2 loops. Pull through twice. This makes 1 double crochet. Continue making 1 more double crochet. 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Insert the hook into the next stitch for a single crochet. Insert the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. This makes 1 single crochet. Slip stitch in the next stitch. Chain 3. Work 3 more double crochets in the same stitch. First. Second. Third, then chain 2. Insert the hook into both strands of the side seam of the double crochet. Yarn over, join with a slip stitch. This makes 1 picket. Continue working 2 more double crochets in the same stitch. Chain 2. Pick up both strands of the side seam of the double crochet. Yarn over, join with a slip stitch. This makes 1 picket. Continue in the same stitch. Work 3 more double crochets. Then chain 3. Slip stitch in the same stitch. This completes the kitten's head. Single crochet in the next stitch. Continue with 2 double crochets. Three treble crochets. Three chains. Slip stitch in the next stitch. Enlarge the loop and break the yarn. Pull the yarn tail to the wrong side. Tie both yarn ends together to secure. Trim off excess tails. This completes the main part of our kitten. Continue crocheting another main part. Cast on for edging. The cast on doesn't count as stitches. Crochet 10 chain stitches. Yarn over the hook twice. Go back to the 4th stitch from the hook. Pull the yarn through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops twice. Repeat 3 times. This makes 1 treble crochet. Continue crocheting 2 more treble crochets. Follow with 2 double crochets in sequence. One single crochet in the next stitch. One slip stitch in the next stitch. Chain 3. Crochet 3 double crochets in the same stitch. Then chain 2. Crochet 1 picot. Continue with 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Picot made with 2 chains. Still in the same stitch, crochet 3 more double crochets. Chain 3. Slip stitch in the same stitch. This completes the kitten's head. Next stitch, 1 single crochet. Follow with 2 double crochets. Then 3 treble crochets. Chain 3. Slip stitch in the same stitch. Enlarge the loop and break the yarn. Bring this yarn tail to the wrong side. Tie the 2 yarns together to secure. Finally, stick the 2 completed pieces, wrong sides together. And add the bow at the end. The kitten is done.